Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, March 9, 2022 on our channel. Daikin launch of a purpose-built VRV recovery system. Love Group has installed a new production line in its plant in Limana. TFMO equips plug-in hybrid truck with Carrier Transicold all-electric refrigeration solutions. Hire Carrier's sustainable ice-making technology creates optimal conditions for record-setting performances at National Speed Skating Oval in Beijing. Trane Technologies Robyn, Boling, Andrea, Rago and Perras named recipients of the 2022 Step Ahead Awards. Study on the practical use of flammable and slightly flammable refrigerants. Transicold partners with Transicold to build cutting-edge facility. Johnson Controls suspends its business in Russia. So, first news today. Daikin launch of a purpose-built VRV recovery system. Daikin has announced more details on its new VRV5 heat recovery system, due for launch in July, and the latest evolution of the variable refrigerant volume, VRV, technology first developed by Daikin 40 years ago. Designed specifically to support significant reductions in the carbon footprint of commercial buildings, the climate control solution focuses both on reducing the direct and indirect environmental impact. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Love Group has installed a new production line in its plant in Limana. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is increasingly used as a radical solution to eliminate the greenhouse effect caused by halogenated hydrocarbons. To meet growing demand, Love Group has installed a new production line in its plant in Limana, Boling, specifically for products that use CO2 and propane, with a plan to install another one dedicated to the production of machines that use natural refrigerant fluids. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. TFMO equips plug-in hybrid truck with Carrier Transicold all-electric refrigeration solutions. Refrigerated Transport Service Company, Transports Frigorifiques des Monts Store, TFMO, has equipped its new Scania plug-in hybrid truck, the first of its kind in France, with an all-electric refrigeration solution from Carrier Transicold. This 320 horsepower vehicle features a 9-liter engine that can use conventional diesel or synthetic fuels such as hydro-treated vegetable oil or XTL. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Hire Carrier's sustainable ice-making technology creates optimal conditions for record-setting performances at National Speed Skating Oval in Beijing. In February 2022, the National Speed Skating Oval, NSSO, also called the Quad, Ice Ribbon, and Quad, held its inaugural international competition in Beijing with athletes setting 10 new records and a world record in speed skating. Qingdao Hire Carrier Refrigeration Equipment Company, Limited, Hire Carrier, introduced the transcritical carbon dioxide, CO2, ice-making system for the NSSO. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Trane Technologies Robyn, Boling, Andrea, Rago and Perras named recipients of the 2022 Step Ahead Awards. Women in manufacturing recognized for their leadership in science, technology, engineering and manufacturing, STEM careers. Trane Technologies plc announces that Robyn, Boling, Andrea, Rago and Perras are recipients of the Manufacturing Institute's 2022 Step Ahead Awards, which recognize women in science, technology, engineering and production careers who exemplify leadership in their companies and communities. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Transicold partners with Transicold to build cutting-edge facility. Transicold, a new cold storage company, has announced plans for the construction of a 70,000 square foot cold storage facility developed by Transicold headquartered in Melbourne, Florida. Located near Fort Smith in Mulberry, Arkansas and owned and operated by Transicold, the facility's cutting-edge design will feature the latest refrigeration and freezing technology available in the cold storage industry. Read more the news on our website today. Eighth news today. Johnson Controls suspends its business in Russia. Johnson Controls will fulfill existing contractual obligations to the extent possible, and in full compliance with sanctions, while not accepting new business or orders. The company focuses on ways to assist its local teams and are providing support to the humanitarian relief efforts in the region. Chief Executive Officer George Oliver said, and quote, "Our decisions and actions reflect our steadfast values and our commitment to doing what is right." Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.